Talofa and good evening Samoa. Here's your weather report for tonight and tomorrow. Bia recorded a minimum of 24 degrees Celsius from last night and 31 degrees Celsius the maximum for today. However, the highest temperatures of 32 degrees Celsius was recorded at some areas. From your satellite loop this afternoon, convective cloud to the northeast of Samoa affect the group at times. From your weather map, a trough of low pressure to the northeast lies slow moving over Samoa. Associated cloud and showers affect the group overnight through tomorrow. Forecast for tonight and tomorrow: clear to cloudy sky overnight with light showers. Scattered moderate falls possible towards the afternoon with thunderstorms. Coastal waters for tonight and tomorrow: southeast to east winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour. Poor visibility with gusts in rain and thunderstorms. Combined waves and swells of 5 to 6 feet. For the southern side, southeast winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour, increasing to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Combined waves and swells of 6 to 7 feet. For your tide table, high tide will be at 10 more minutes to 11 tonight. And for tomorrow, low tide will be at 8 more minutes to 5 early morning, high at 13 minutes past 11 in the morning, low tide expected at 38 minutes past 5 in the evening, and high tide again at 2 more minutes to 12 tomorrow night. Sun will rise at 38 minutes past 6 in the morning and will set at 8 minutes past 6 in the evening. And that's your weather bulletin for tonight, Samoa. Join us again tomorrow for another update. Until then, good night.